That sucks. That was a great start. Another day. Okay, 2 seconds. Another day, another 4 hours of sleep. Why'd you have 4 hours of sleep, you must be asking? You don't have any tests? You didn't have any assignments? Actually, I do. I finished it last night though. It's because I need to edit my previous vlog, because I'm going away this weekend with my brother. We're going to East London. He's going to race and I'm going to go there to shoot some content for him. And I have a cool idea for something I want to do, but it's difficult to shoot while he's racing and get him to do like shots that I need him to do, because obviously he's in the zone and shit. I don't want to like disturb him. So I kind of just record whatever I can. But yeah, no, it's always fun. It's always a joy. Found this late yesterday. Barista almond breeze. So it's for coffee, which I think and I hope is gonna be amazing. I woke up at 5. Time is now 5:30. This lens is so loud. I'm sorry, guys. Manual focus. F you up. Yeah. So welcome to the channel, guys. Don't forget, if you're new, subscribe. If you're old, hit the bell. And if you're new, hit the bell as well. Oh, guys, just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're trying to grow your people. I had 400 subs like yesterday. This is just a small milestone. I love it though. I'm so happy. I can confirm this does taste a lot better. It's unsweetened. It's really... That's not League of Legends videos. What? No, I didn't do that. It's very almondy though, so if you don't like almond milk, I don't recommend getting it. I'd rather get the unsweetened almond milk. The flavorless. This is quite strong. It's quite strong.
Gonna hit something.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It was just my lens cap. I mean my bottle cap.
I drove into something.
Boys, take on East London.
Lens is a flipping scratch on it.
No, it's there.
No, can you see there's a crack there?
Oh, there's a crack.
Yeah.
I thought there was something on it.
Great.
Did you bring another lens?
Change lens. For you, that's not funny.
What?
You eating that.
Athlete life.
Athlete life. That's not. By the way, guys, I decided that this video is not going to be about me. I'm going to put it on this guy. Day in the life of a international superbike rider. Yeah, I know, but you have ridden internationals.
This guy.
So dedicated. Cutest airport ever. Oh my god, yeah. There's no one in the city, people. It's a deserted island. I'm in a desert.
We're getting food now. Then we're gonna go to Woolies, get some food. And then I think we'll go check into the hotel and then maybe go check out the track.
Are you gonna go for a run?
I think I'll go for a run, yeah. I just need to loosen up my legs a bit.
We found a favorite place, News Cafe. This town is so small. I didn't expect it to have such like this huge mall. It's flipping insane. Have you ever seen a mall this big?
No, it's really big.
Did you expect it to be here?
No.
No, not at all.
Especially after driving through town.
Dude, the difference in meals. We're going healthy with the chicken breast and veg. Yeah, my burger. That's lucky.
I need the energy.
Do you guys ever name for you guys like the curly?
No.
Fictional name, no.
No. Should they be?
Nah, it looks good though.
Thank you.
What's
the tour?
205. I'm pretty sure I saw the sign that said this way. Yes, Jared. It's right there.
No, it's right here.
No, it's not. It's left here. 205. This is left. You such an idiot.
You said you... Okay, I'm not...
Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
Oh, shit.
Thanks for asshole. For them gains. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and he didn't get anything because he has pasta, pre-cooked meals, and I had to get like clean shit, obviously, because I'm still in the cut, because I'm going away into next week, Saturday. I'll show you guys what I got while I'm away. I'm still gonna carb cycle, so I'm gonna have carbs tomorrow, especially because I'm gonna be walking a lot tomorrow, so I'm gonna need the energy. I don't want to be drained. I'm just gonna unpack my bag now. So is he. I don't know about you guys, but we cannot live out of a bag. It's so inconvenient, and like it's not efficient at all. If people do it, you guys are crazy. Yeah, crazy. I'm gonna see if they have a gym. I doubt it. I didn't see one on the website, but yeah, I'll look for something.
I just want you near me. My heart beats faster. You bring me to life. As I feel your hands on my waist, my body's hypnotized. So come with me. I've got this.
The difference between what I buy and what this guy brings. He's racing, he needs to carb load, he needs to get the electrolytes in. So there you got. I wish I could eat this stuff, but I can't. Muffins, banana, bunch of these protein energy bars, some raw coconut ball things. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But you do have the thing there.
Yeah, like lunch.
He does have lunch.
It's difficult to eat when I race because I'm nervous.
That makes sense.
Yeah, don't have a big lunch, just snack.
Yeah. And then your boy got these protein bars from home, protein cookie. And then I am carb cycling, but tomorrow's high carb day, so got rice cakes. Gonna put a little drop peanut butter on. Chicken, obviously standard. Cheese, got extra protein and fats in here, so some carb cycling I can increase my fats a little. Put those on top of the chicken. Full cream, double cream, sorry, yogurt. Less carbs in the double cream. Coke Zero, and I had to buy Tupperware because I forgot mine, but it's fine, I'll just take it home. It's like 14 servings in here, so I could finish that today. And good news, we found a gym. Woo! So yeah, we're gonna go hit the gym. Let's see if I can get a nice workout in, build up a nice sweat. Yeah, let's get it. I think this is the smallest gym I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, it goes up to 14, and that's perfect. Yeah, I put a hoodie on just to build up a sweat a bit more. It's flipping hot in here. It's kind of very restrictive. There's weights, there's 4, 6, 10s, 12s, and 14s. So I'm gonna try and do like a really superset giant set type workout. There are treadmills here, so I can try walk, but I'm not supposed to be walking that long, so I'll see how my back feels in that. But yeah, let's get warmed up and let's try and get this shit going. Okay, he's just gonna be running for like 20 minutes. So I'm doing a circuit, figured it out. I'm just gonna do one circuit, 5 sets, and then if I still have time, I'll do something else, but I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. It's gonna be lying incline curls basically. Go straight into dumbbell skull crushers. From there you get off the bench, you go into close grip push-ups, 10, wide grip push-ups, 10, another close grip push-up, 10, and then you plank for 30 seconds to a minute if you can. Try to set you guys up somewhere. Okay, this is honestly the best you guys can get. There's no way to put my flipping camera here. Four more sets, I'm gonna do them. Actually 2 more sets. We'll rest 30 seconds, go again. But yeah, it's basically what I'm gonna do until he's done. Then maybe I'll do something else if I have time after these 3 sets, but I don't think I'm gonna. And yeah, it's quite tiring, I won't lie. Those push-ups kill. How's your run?
It was good.
Feel loosey-goosey for tomorrow?
Yeah, ready to go. What? Going for dinner.
Okay, still camera shot. We're going for dinner. I'll let you know, I'll take a picture of what he has with my phone or something. I just don't want to take this camera in because, you know, this place is very, yeah. By the way, the car, the racer is getting, it's destroying that shit. And it stink. So much for cutting. Oh no, chicken breast. There you go, get it, son. Get it. So we're sharing this for now. Oh yeah. This. And then this comes for Jared. Are you ready? I don't want it. No, you're gonna have it. Bye. Good morning, people. We're at the track. So what's up, dude?
Morning.
Let's get the day started. He's practicing and got qualifying now, so see how well he does. Let's go.
So today we basically just have 3 qualifying sessions. And yeah, that's it.
Cool.
They are like half an hour each, so it should be good.
Good luck.
Sweet.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.
You found it?
No, it was good. Just small changes now and then we'll go a lot faster.
Alright.
Practice too. Let's get it.
Close the door. Yeah. Right, okay. And get your block.
But that's so late, sir. Even if I
Can one go wrong?
What's up?
How was it?
It was fast. No, it was good. Got a decent setup now. But, feeling really comfortable, so yeah. P1 in the second qualifying, so really stoked for that. And yeah, we got 1 more qualifying left, so we're gonna try and go even faster.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done.
Not bad for being on holiday, for being away. I need to get leaner. It is now, I think, like 5:15. My brother's still sleeping because he's racing today, so I'm just gonna hit the gym. I found a Virgin Active, like I said, so I'm so excited. I'm making myself some coffee now, and then I'm gonna have some cardio. Trying to get leaner because we have been eating out the last few nights. I haven't eaten that badly. Trying to make it stick to my macros, but I am away, so like I'm kind of at the point where I'm like, you know, fuck a diet. I'm gonna enjoy myself, and I'll eat clean most of the day. Okay, so the gym only opens at 6, and I got to like 5:45, so I thought I'd open up at 5. I mean, 5:30. So yeah, we got the gym to ourselves. Quite a nice gym.
quite big actually. I think it's better than a few of the gyms in Cape Town. It looks like they have those old weights and tape we used to have. So yeah, I'm gonna do some cardio, and then if I have time, I'm gonna hit some weights. But I don't know if I'll have time, so we'll see. Hey! How you, big boy?
Like in you, bro.
You ready?
Yeah.
Sure.
Hundreds.
Breakfast of champions.
A lot of egg.
You need more carbs.
I had a piece of toast already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Qualified first yesterday, so we're on pole for both races, and yeah, let's try to keep it that way.
What's up, people? Yeah, I just saw it's race day. My brother managed to qualify first, which is amazing. He had pole position for both races, so he's starting first. Just needs a good start and needs to keep it up there. Bad thing though, it's windy as shit. Check here. It's windy as shit out here, people. That's not gonna make it easier. So yeah, we're just gonna hope for the best. I know he's gonna do well. Have a good feeling about this. Right now I'm at one of the corners. It's just practice now, and then he's racing only in 2 hours. So it's a practice. Let's see how he does with the wind and everything. I'll let you guys know. I just know that the 1000s and 600s race together. So my brother's on the 600. Show you where he is and who's a 600, because then obviously that's his class.
I think with the new tire,
How was it? Hey?
it's hectic.
Windy.
Yeah, very windy. I was right. This messes up all the gears and everything. Making my car different.
Really?
Yeah, everything's different.
Do you think you'll be ready for a race though?
Yeah, that should be good. You ready for race one?
How's it feel?
Awesome.
Amazing.
I mean, awesome.
That's fine, doesn't matter. You want to say something?
Hey?
You want to say something?
Just, that was the longest 10 laps of my life.
You pulled a big gap though.
I tried to pull a gap in the beginning,
Yeah, you did.
but then, look, I just ran out of grip at the end.
Did you? Yeah, I noticed
Almost fell out the last corner on like this third last lap.
Eish.
From there, I just made sure I was smooth and not too
Yeah,
aggressive.
I saw your times dropped a bit, but it's fine. It's such a big gap.
Yeah.
Well done, big guy.
Stoked. Woo! I cut 0.
I'll grab one now, yeah. Good luck for the second race.
Thanks, bud.
You ready?
Yeah.
Gonna smash it.
100%.
Woo! Woo! Ah! I'm so happy. Ah! My brother came first. It's his first national one. He's led a few races before, but this is his first time he actually pulled together a first. So happy for him. Oh my word, you guys have no idea. Yeah, we are going into the second race starting soon. So yeah, let's go.
I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know.
Well, that's bleak. That
find out what happened.
What happened?
Just crashed on the oil.
So there was oil on the track.
Yeah, 10-3.
You
I went around it the first lap, and then second lap I tried to go quicker, and that was the right line, and then the crash. Yeah. Just because I had a big gap already, but
yeah, it's huge. Oh well, we get him next time. Where will you finish it for the day then?
probably like 4th.
I don't think so. I think he might come 3rd. I think so.
Not the finish race.
So the 2 other people.
Okay, so we're gonna go celebrate the one day. So we'll see you later.
Jared? Jared? Jared, are you okay? Why are you lying outside the door, dude? Someone's feeling a bit sensitive from last night, so peace out people. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good shit. You know how we do.